Don't sneeze while watching this video. I am going to play video clips that might also sneeze you. But you can easily beat me in this challenge, because sneezing is not contagious like yawning. But first, let me tell you the rules. Leaving the video, skipping the video, or even speeding up the video, is equals to you automatically failed in today's challenge. So, are you ready? Challenge starts in 3, 2, 1.
Be the bank's taking. I'm sorry.
Bless you.
There we go.
Like the video if you did not sneeze. So I will know how many people who are legends in this game. Yeet.